Right, moving along. The government has agreed in principle to set up a field hospital in Myanmar to continue its humanitarian aid following the devastating earthquake that struck the country on March 28th. Foreign Minister Dato Sri Mohammed Hassan said Prime Minister Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim had agreed to the matter at last week's cabinet meeting.
84 buah runtuh dan mereka memerlukan tempat apa yang dipanggil sebagai bilik pembedahan yang mobile yang boleh bergerak untuk diurus oleh pakar-pakar perubatan. Ini sedang diuruskan dan kita minta supaya Angkatan Tentera Malaysia dan juga Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia untuk berpakat macam mana cara untuk menghantar.
At the Ideal Fitri Open House on Saturday, Mohammed said the field hospital will include over 30 compartments, such as operating rooms, X-ray facilities, and more than 30 beds. While assistance can be mobilized any time, ensuring adequate specialists and equipment is crucial. He added that Malaysia will not hesitate to withdraw its medical personnel and aid, coordinated with other ASEAN countries, if their safety is at risk.
Itu sebab saya katakan tempoh hari dengan pihak sana, jika saya dapati ada apa-apa yang boleh memungkinkan anggota warga negara Malaysia ataupun warga negara ASEAN terancam keselamatannya, we will not hesitate to pull out our people. Okay? Itu saya punya kata-kata kepada mereka. Sebab kita nak bantu dan kita mahu supaya mereka stand down.
On March 30th, the government had pledged an initial sum of 10 million ringgit in humanitarian aid to support the people of Myanmar who were affected by the earthquake.